Почитувани, во седиштето на НАТО во Брисел разговаравме со висока представничка на НАТО од секторот за безбедносни и политички прашања, господја Тања Хартман. Господја Хартман, што ќе следува за Северна Македонија откако ќе пристапи во Алијансата?
As soon as North Macedonia becomes a full member, North Macedonia will take part in all of the decisions that are taken within this alliance on all the issues that we handle, all of the security challenges, all of the security concerns. North Macedonia already participates in NATO meetings and activities, including ministerials, and we were very pleased to have the then Prime Minister Zaev at the leaders' meeting in London. And North Macedonia will continue, of course, to participate and take part in all of the decisions that this alliance takes.
Што се очекува од новата земја членка во Алијансата? Во кои сегменти земјите членки на НАТО очекуваат да видат поголем прогрес и за успешна интеграција во блиска иднина?
This is a very important topic, the topic of reforms and continuing reforms. We talk a lot about how the alliance evolves over time because our security challenges evolve. And so it's important also that all allies, including current allies and members, continue to evolve and implement the required reforms to deal with the new security challenges. The very same applies to North Macedonia, even now during the accession process, but also after full membership. It will be very important to continue to implement reforms, including in the defense and security sector, so that North Macedonia can come to the aid of other allies, participate in NATO missions and operations, and take part in all of the NATO activities and take on all of the obligations and responsibilities of membership.
Што е тоа што недостасува, на кое што треба да се работи повеќе во реформскиот процес?
We talk about continued reforms and we talk about continuing to deal with security challenges. We face challenges in many different sectors, including threats from hybrid attacks, cyber attacks, countries that annex the territory of their neighbors, instability beyond our borders. So we talk about reforms that are necessary to continue to deal with those challenges, to develop the capabilities that are needed to respond to challenges like that.
Со каков вид на закани се соочуваат земјите членки на НАТО и Северна Македонија во иднина како идна членка?
Some of the challenges that we see have to do with cyber attacks, with disinformation campaigns that really undermine our societies and our institutions. So what we continue to work on together, and this is also true for current members of the alliance and also true for North Macedonia as it finishes its accession process, is that we continue to develop capabilities to respond to cyber attacks, to defend our critical infrastructure, to defend our institutions and our societies from disinformation. These are all very important areas on which we work together with North Macedonia.
Ви благодарам за разговорот.
Thank you very much.
Вам, почитувани, ви благодарам што го следевте интервјуто на Радио Слободна Европа.